Iowa is a popular productivity and time management software that promises to help you organize tasks, collaborate with teams, and stay on top of your goals. But before you decide to buy, there are 12 key things you need to know that could help you make an informed decision, especially if you're comparing it to alternatives like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com. First off, Iowa offers both task management and mind mapping features. It's unique because it combines these two approaches, allowing you to organize tasks visually with mind maps and then switch to a traditional to-do list view. This is useful for people who prefer brainstorming and structuring their thoughts before jumping into detailed task management. The next thing you should know is Iowa's user-friendly interface. Compared to Trello or Asana, Iowa is often considered more intuitive and easier to set up. Its design is simple, which reduces the learning curve for new users, making it a solid option for individuals and teams who want to get started quickly without a lot of complexity. The third thing to keep in mind is its collaboration features. Ayoa allows you to invite team members, assign tasks, and leave comments or attach files to specific tasks. It's effective for small to medium-sized teams, but larger organizations might find the collaboration features less robust than competitors like Monday.com, which offers advanced reporting and tracking tools. Next, Iowa provides time tracking as part of its paid plans. This feature helps you track the time spent on different tasks, which is great for freelancers or anyone managing billable hours. However, if you need more detailed project time analytics or reports, this feature might feel a bit basic compared to what you get from tools like Toggle or Harvest, which specialize in time tracking. The fifth thing is the pricing structure. Ayoa has a free version with limited features, which is great for solo users or very small teams. The paid plans start at a reasonable price, but when you compare it to Trello or Asana, you might find that Iowa doesn't offer as many advanced features for the price, especially if you're looking for integrations with a wide variety of third-party apps. Moving on, Iowa's task views are versatile. You can choose between a Kanban board, list view, or even a Gantt chart. This flexibility makes it easy to switch up how you work based on your preferences. However, compared to competitors like ClickUp, Iowa's Gantt charts are not as advanced and may not meet the needs of larger project-based teams. The seventh thing you need to know is Iowa's focus on simplicity. Unlike Asana, which offers many advanced features, Iowa keeps things straightforward. If you're someone who doesn't need tons of customization options or overly complex workflows, Iowa might be a better fit. But if you need powerful automation or reporting, tools like Monday.com could serve you better. Next, Iowa's mobile app. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it's generally well received. Users appreciate the smooth functionality and ease of use, but it might not be as feature-rich as some other mobile apps for project management, like Trello or Rike, which tend to offer more features on the go. The ninth point is integrations. Iowa integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, but it's not as comprehensive as some competitors. If you rely heavily on apps like Microsoft Teams or other niche software, you might find that Iowa doesn't integrate as seamlessly as you'd like. Now, the 10th thing to consider is task prioritization. Iowa allows you to mark tasks as high, medium, or low priority, and you can also set due dates. However, this level of prioritization isn't as detailed or customizable as what you get with tools like Asana, which offers priority levels with more granular options. The 11th thing is security. Iowa provides basic security measures such as SSL encryption, but if you're handling sensitive data, you might want to compare its security features to those of tools like Rike or Basecamp, which offer more advanced security protocols, particularly for enterprise-level users. Finally, Iowa's customer support is solid. They offer email and live chat support, and users generally report quick response times. However, the customer service experience might not be as comprehensive as what you'd get from larger tools like Monday.com, which provides extensive resources and dedicated support for premium users. So, is Io worth it? It's a good option for individuals or smaller teams looking for a simple, easy-to-use task and project management tool. However, if you want a more robust solution with more features, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.